All right, let's get right into it. If you've got a gaming PC, you're basically sitting on a secret weapon. I'm serious. There's this super powerful tool just waiting to be unlocked. And today, we're going to show you exactly how to do that. No, really, just think about that for a second. What if that absolute beast of a machine on your desk could do more than just run games? What if it could be your personal assistant, your go-to mechanic, even your creative partner, all rolled into one? And the key to all of this? It's right here. It's your graphics card. I mean, this thing is a massive brain, right? It's built to crunch thousands of calculations all at once to give you those insane graphics. But here's the thing. Unless you're deep into a gaming marathon, it's mostly just idling, chilling out. It is without a doubt the most powerful and the most underused part of your entire computer. So that's exactly where local AI comes in. Now, this isn't some service you log into online. Nope. This is a private, lightning-fast assistant that lives right there on your computer's hard drive. And it uses that powerhouse graphics card to think. Seriously, don't think of it as just another chatbot. It's more like a Swiss Army knife for your PC. All right, let's talk about how we actually tap into this superpower. And you know, the best part? You don't need to be some kind of tech wizard to pull this off. It's actually surprisingly easy. I mean, it's designed to be shockingly simple. We're talking no code, no confusing tech jargon, just a couple of clicks and you are good to go. You literally install it just like you would any normal game. And look, I'm not kidding when I say it's simple. We're about to walk through what's pretty much a 2-click setup that is going to completely change what your PC can do. It all boils down to these 3 little steps. 1, install the app. 2, pick the AI's brain. And 3, flip one little switch to unleash all that speed. First things first, you're just going to head over to Jan.ai and download the app. The installation, it's exactly the same as any game or program you've ever installed. Super straightforward. Okay, next up, once you're in the app, you're going to click on the hub. Think of it like a library, but for different AI brains. You're going to look for a model called Qwen 3.59b and just hit download. This one is super cool because it's multimodal, which is just a fancy way of saying it can actually see and understand pictures, not just words. And finally, this is the most important step, for sure. In the settings, you'll see a little toggle switch for GPU. Flip that thing on. This is the magic button, okay? This tells the AI to use that beefy graphics card of yours instead of the main computer processor. This right here is what gives you that instant, no waiting, blink and you'll miss it speed. Okay, setup is done. Easy, right? Now for the fun part, actually using it. We're calling this section Dad Mode. You know, a bunch of those real-world problems you can now solve in seconds. We've all been there, right? It's the first nice day of spring, you go to pull out the lawnmower and crickets. Nothing. Instead of digging through old forums or watching some 20-minute YouTube video, you can just ask your new AI. And you can literally type this exact prompt. Just be direct, tell it what's wrong, and ask for a simple checklist. No fluff, no nonsense, just the fix. And this is where it gets really cool. Not only do you get a step-by-step guide in like 2 seconds, but remember how I said it can see? You can snap a picture of some weird-looking part, upload it, and ask, hey, what is this thing and where does it go? Game changer. All right, let's bring it a little closer to home for all you gamers out there. You're in the middle of a heated match, and suddenly, your frame rate just dies. It's choppy, it's stuttering, it's basically unplayable. So what do? Well, you just Alt-Tab, pop open your local AI, and ask it this. You tell it the game you're playing, your hardware specs, and what you want. More frames without making the game look like a potato. Boom! You get a personalized, technical fix without ever having to leave your desktop. And hey, it's not just for fixing technical stuff. This AI can be your creative buddy, too. Picture this. It's late, the kids are just bouncing off the walls, and you need a bedtime story, like, right now. A super simple prompt like this gives you a completely original, custom story in about the time it takes to read this sentence. It's like having an instant creative partner for all those little parenting fires you have to put out. So, besides all these cool examples, why is running an AI on your own machine such a big deal? Let's just quickly run through the big benefits here. Okay, first off, it's free, forever. You already own the hardware, right? It's also completely private. No big company is reading your chats. It works even if your internet goes out. It's always ready for you, so no more of those annoying "our servers are busy" messages. With a decent GPU, there's zero lag while you're gaming. And maybe the best part? It actually learns about you, so you don't have to keep explaining the same things over and over again. So, what this all means, ultimately, is that you've just turned a piece of hardware you already paid for into a tool that is totally 100% customized to you. It's your AI and it works your way. The setup is done, all that potential is unlocked, and your own personal AI is just waiting. So, really, the only question left is what are you going to ask it first?